My people, Aisha Yesufu and Nnamdi Kanu don dey give us hot. These two now dey inside serious war. No be small thing o. Because of the matter wey happen for Abia State, I no know how many of una don hear about the matter. Say headsmen wey dey stay for Abia State, some security operatives dey go chase them out. They beat them, they throw them away. In fact, they really show them shege. No be small matter. Na after this whole matter, my people, Aisha come outside o. They insult all the people wey go chase headsmen. Say e no dey right, they no suppose do this one. She even dey vex because they kill their cows. Na so Nnamdi Kanu come outside o. Come tell Aisha say you be talkative lunatic. Na so insult am o. Aisha too come give am back. Aisha come call her say made in China shikau. I no even know wetin e mean. For una wey know the language, I no know. Omo, Aisha now dey try tell us say Nnamdi Kanu dey make am for China. that woman get bad mouth o. Chineke. My people, na the case wey dey happen now. Forget say I dey laugh o. I no dey smile with Aisha as I dey here like this. Make I first start with that one. Because I no dey see any reason why you go vex say people dey chase headsmen. No, make una ask una sef now inside una head. Una know since when we don dey chase these headsmen matter? Una know? Now she don come outside. This human rights activist. Which kind human rights activist be this one? So now we no even know where you dey stand o. Before na human rights activist we know you as. Now you don turn cow rights activist. Chineke. See headsmen wey kill people before. They rape people. They kidnap people. So now they go do them the same thing. They go give them taste of their own medicine. You come outside now, you come dey talk. Which kind life this woman dey live? Why you dey behave like one Confucianist? Why you no know where you dey stand? Now you first come outside o. You start human rights activist. You win our heart finish. We love you finish because the first time when you come outside, you been get sense. Now you don't get wetin you want. You don't start dey show us your true color. Your true color don dey come outside. You are confused. In fact, you have problem. You say you be freedom fighter, but now you dey fight another freedom fighter. Headsmen. See, my people, make I tell una something. This matter, e no go end here. Even as they don't chase those people now, no, make una wait for revenge wey dey happen now. Una go soon hear say they don't attack again. They know they hear word. If you like, treat them nice. If you like, do like say, you know, they know they hear. They go still come back again. No matter how smart, una think say not na be. When it comes to cow, they know they get sense. Now from Aisha, I find out. Aisha being get sense. Like, you know understand, if I dey think of human being for Nigeria, now her name they come my head. She don't hear cow now. I don't know, it be like say something dey inside these Nigerian cows. No, we need start the run test. I no just dey understand. When be say any nod now wey hear cow matter, I mean when they bonded with cow tail. Any small thing cow, they want start dey do like say, hey, you dey vex say they kill cow. Hey, my sister, I bet your problem is spiritual. Your problem is critically spiritual. I tell una before this thing, they send this woman. Una remember that matter where they talk say gay, send homosexual and things where she support them. Now from that time I know say they send this woman. They first allow her, make we love her. Then they can't strike. Now strike, they strike like this. When Northerners they attack people, Aisha, where you dey? Why we not hear your voice when you come outside they talk? All these years when Northerners they attack people, any small thing, if not only when it comes to protest or things we get to do with government, you go see say she go come outside come talk. When your Northerners people, I be your Fulani people, when they attack other people, where you dey? Why you not come outside? Why we not hear your voice? Now you sabi o, and e dey for your pocket. This girl, I be this woman. She's see the way she dey dress. Nobody even need tell una say she be part of them. No wonder Now I don't even understand this whole thing. When I remember say NSAS protest period, she be part of people where they protest, abi? Relax. How come all the people where they catch, where they protest, if you come outside say you talk, they go send people make they arrest you? How come they never go arrest this woman? Because she be their people, they know themselves. After you say these people they get plan, no be this thing. See now, if they give this woman chance, una go even dey surprise say now this woman come outside before. No, make una sit down there. Now like this, I dey talk my thing. Tomorrow una go come realize say, Madam Aproko, you too wise. Now like this, so if una like, support am. If una like, no support am. Me, Madam Aproko, I have said my own. Nonsense. Yes, so my people, now the matter be this one. I no want know who they vex, so I no want know who know the vex. Anything when you got stuck against waiting, I don't talk because I don't talk up. Drop am for that comment section and I will answer you. Meanwhile, don't go far. Click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything where we drop, and subscribe if you never subscribe. They're very, very important. I'll see you later, guys. Love you. Wonder shall never end, my people. Now everybody they go extra mile to blackmail people anyhow. This one don't come out to in name na Femi Branch, na Nigerian actor. They show so many of una know because they very popular. Like they do bad things for me. My brother, na joke and a joke. You know, say na your career na they push out for you. My people, you don't come outside, no. When they call on police. Nigerian police say they need take this matter very serious. I don't know how many of you even know this hotel, Pavilion Hotel, where they for Ayepe, una know na there the matter happen. And I show say many other hotels they like that, but no worry, make me focus on this one. My people, they find different cameras inside each room for that hotel. Inside the room, oh, no be outside, no be passage. Inside each room, they plant cameras. They remove cameras for AC. They remove. No be small matter. Hey, you don't come outside now. Say this thing. Say na crime. Na serious crime. So they need arrest from the manager, the owner, operators of the hotel. Anybody we no say they involved for this hotel, they say they go come arrest them. So I beg for now we no know who be Femi Branch. I don't bring on a side. So join me. Make we watch the video.
Guys, you need to be vigilant. You need to be vigilant. You see, this camera in the hotel thing, where all of us just laugh. It's not a funny matter. It's not a funny matter. Forget about even, what will make somebody put a camera in a hotel? What's the motive? That's my own. What's the motive? I'm calling on the Nigerian police force to arrest the owner and the weather manager or all the operators of Pavilion Hotel and Suites in Ayepe to do a thorough investigation concerning all the guests that have lodged in that place, to find out whether after leaving that hotel, any of them got robbed or got murdered or got kidnapped or anything like that. Because you're in your room, you are making phone calls, you are disclosing confidential information. If you have money with you, you might have the money spread around the room or something like that. You know, these people could have gotten all manner of information from these cameras in bedrooms. Forget about whether they saw you sleeping with your girlfriend or saw you sleeping with your wife or saw your nakedness or saw your wife's naked. That is trivial. Be vigilant, guys. Search. I dey fear now to even go lodge for hotel. And our work. Now so hotel. Eh?
This is the 5th camera in the room. So you can see.
Camera in our rooms.
Yes.
You're putting camera in our rooms, right?
Yes.
Infringing on people's privacy. See people's nakedness. Video in my law Insta blog. Video in my law Insta blog. You're putting cameras in the people's room, right? What the fuck name is the hotel?
By me. If you open your mouth now, tell me say this guy talk nonsense, I go just strangle you. Something they work with now. Anybody will tell me say this guy talk nonsense. Something they worry you straight. Wetin camera they find inside person room? No, make we start from this question. Wetin camera they find for inside person room? Wetin be their plan? Wetin be their motive? This world, Hey, Chineke. No be only sleep people they go do for hotel. Some people they go for business. Some people they go, you understand? Different reasons. Everybody get their different reasons. So they need privacy. You fit go with your boyfriend, abi husband and wife fit go. The day when I no fit like to sleep in the house. You fit go based on you want to relax. And inside that hotel room, confidential calls go happen. You fit count your money. Maybe you just do one deal. Maybe na dollars. You fit put your money for bed, they count am. All that one camera they watch. You and your person they understand. Go down, camera they watch. Your woman don't come outside from shower. She don't go bath. Camera don't watch. I beg. This thing a serious crime. I don't care how una dey see am, but me, I don't talk am. If you know say you go hotel, where they attack you after that hotel, I beg, go back, check the hotel rooms. Because now the only way be this way they feel know. No, now imagine you come out from hotel room. How they know say you get money where they come attack you? Start a report. Anytime when you come out for hotel, you notice something different. Whether they blackmail you, person call you, say this one. Check the hotel, report the case. Very, very important. No wonder. People come they wonder, say, how they go say, may they no carry money, may they no do this one. Many people just they talk many things. Now we define the whole thing. Now the matter they come outside. If you enter hotel, when I say as they hold my ear, check all the corners because now they put those micro camera, those ones where you no go easily see them. They put them everywhere. Check cam. Else tomorrow you go just wake up, find your nude pictures all over internet. You go the wonder say, which boyfriend heart you don't break, where you don't post. No be boyfriend. Some people just deliberately sit down, say they plan wickedness. So now suppose they alert, make una eye open. Imagine, even inside AC. See how they even hide that. Una watch am. They even hide the thing inside AC. How you go imagine say this thing fit inside AC? No, na question. For una to see, they even they ask the manager for the video, say, so you wanna put camera inside the room? He say yes. Yes. Chai. I beg, make them lock that hotel. Whether na sue the hotel or lock the hotel, anyone who una know say una want do am. You understand? We don't need cameras for inside hotel room. We don't need them. If we want go where they go watch us, we go hostel. We don't need them. At least if you want put a camera for hotel, the passage or front of the door, so that you go know who they enter, who they come out in case of anything. Or entrance of the now like that they do. I never see where they put. My people, I beg, these people they get mission. They get mission. They get one where I even see. Una no go believe they even put the camera inside what they call that thing? Smoke detector. Abi detector. Now they put camera. So you no go even see your mind no go even go there. Your mind no go there. Now like that they do. So una need wake up. I beg, I dey beg una. Now why I bring this case? You understand? Because it is very important. And I beg again, for una we no say this particular hotel, Pavilion Hotel, Ayekpe. Una we no say una don't visit that place maybe once or twice when una go relax or something. I beg. Think again. If you feel join for this report when we don't start, go join and give your own testimony. May they know. You understand? Some people they go through things. Some people they go through serious things. And now this guy don't talk say you no go hotel again. Una no know wetin una dey do, but una dey spoil una own business by una self. Because now nobody go gree on your hotel. Who lose? Now you, me, I dey here and I dey work. You no concern me. My people, now the matter be this and I know say una enjoy am, but not just enjoy am alone. I bet share this video, not be just for enjoyment sake, but for security purpose. You understand? You get many people we don't know this thing. Now why una need share am so that it go far, you go save life, we go protect ourselves. You understand? Yes, and not forget drop that comment. It is very important between you and I. Yes, I love you guys. See you later.